I told you the summary of it. Take out the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Put the date. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Before
ma'am.
you read, should criminals in prison be given the opportunity of learning and education? See, who are the characters? The secretary of the examination board, governor of HM Prison, Oxford, where Evans has been kept. James Evans, a prisoner. Mr. Jackson, a senior prison officer, he is okay. Mr. Stephens, a prison officer, but he is newly recruited, newly appointed. Reverend S. McLary, an invigilator, means he is a churchman, clergyman. Mr. Carter, detective superintendent, and Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. So now, when the chapter begins, we find that the secretary of the examination board and the governor of HM Prison, Oxford, they are having a conversation. Okay, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना बेटा ये chapter. All precautions have been taken to see to it that the O-level German examination arranged in the prison for events does not provide him with any means of escape. So now who's going to appear in the exam? Evans, who is the prisoner. And which exam? It is the exam of O-level German language, right? And sorry, sorry, and governor, he is not interested to send events out, so he wants that the exam it should be arranged in the examine. Sorry, in the HM prison only, and all the precautions they are taken to see that O-level German exam it should be arranged in a safe manner in the prison for events, and that does not give any kind of opportunity for him to escape the jail. It was in early March when the secretary of the examinations board received a call from Oxford prison. Now, it was a month of March and it was the beginning of the March when the secretary of the board examination, he received a call, and he receives a call from whom? From Oxford prison. It is a slightly unusual request, Governor, but I don't see why we shouldn't try to help. Just the one fellow you say. अब जो है this is a dialogue spoken by secretary and the secretary is speaking to the governor. Governor is taking permission and he is asking him that exam if at the exam it should be arranged in the cell only where events is there. Okay, why? Because he is not interested to send events out. To the secretary says, though it is a very unusual request, but there is no reason that the board should deny to have the exam there in the prison. And just the one fellow you say, okay, and he tries to confirm that only one fellow, one candidate is there who's going to appear in the exam. समझ में आया? Conversation चल रहा है और जो
yes, ma'am.
गवर्नर है ना, वो फोन करता है किसको? गवर्नर किसी स्टेट का नहीं है, एचएम प्रिजन का। सपोज करो जो हमारे यहाँ जेलर जो हेड होते हैं है ना जेल के, एंड वो फोन कर रहा है सेक्रेटरी को और सेक्रेटरी कह रहे हैं हालांकि रिक्वेस्ट तो बड़ी अनयूजुअल सी है कि बोर्ड एग्जाम हम वहाँ कंडक्ट करवा दें ओ लेवल का, लेकिन तब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। पर वो कंफर्म करता है कि हाउ मेनी कैंडिडेट्स आर देयर, यू से ओनली वन फेलो। तो गवर्नर कहते हैं दैट इज इट, चैप कॉल्ड इवेंट्स started night classes in O level German last September, underline it. कहते of course only one fellow we have got and his name is Evans. He started night classes in O level German examination last September. Says he is dead keen, very much interested to get some sort of academic qualification. Academic, you got it, educational qualification. Is he any good? Okay, now the secretary, he wants to know what kind of a student is he in the class. He was the only one in the class, so you can say he has had individual tuition all the time. Really would have cost him a packet. Cost him a packet means would have cost him a lot of money if he had been outside. अब जब secretary पूछता है कि is the student good, what kind of a student is he, तो गवर्नर कहता है he was the only one in the class. Okay, तो आप कह सकते हो कि उसकी क्लासेस नहीं थी, एक्चुअली ये इंडिविजुअल ट्यूशन थी. यदि वो जेल के बाहर का इंडिविजुअल ट्यूशन इस तरह की लेता तो इट वुड हैव कॉस्ट हिम अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, इट वुड हैव बीन वेरी एक्सपेंसिव इफ ही हैड बीन आउटसाइड. फॉलोइंग और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
आया ना बेटा? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है ये और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी नाइस चैप्टर. Well, let us give him a chance, shall we? Then the secretary says, okay, fine, then we are going to give him an opportunity. Okay, that's jolly kind of you. What exactly the procedure now? It's so nice of you, who says the governor. But what is the procedure? Okay, what is the planning, how the exam will be conducted? Oh, don't worry about that. I will be sending you all the forms and stuff. What is his name? You say Evans. Okay. Now the secretary says you do not worry about the procedures or the planning, how the exam will be conducted. I'm going to send you the forms and all the other stuff. But what is his name? You said it is Evans. He only knew a little bit of his name. Okay. Maybe the first name or the last. It was the last. तो गवर्नर कहता है जेम्स रॉड्रिक इवेंस. इट साउंडेड रादर ग्रैंड, ऐसा लगा बड़ा ग्रैंड नेम दिया उसने, जेम्स रॉड्रिक इवेंस. अंडरलाइन इट. अंडरलाइन इट बेटा. Underline. Just one thing, Governor,
Yes,
he's not
ma'am.
a violent
Ma'am.
sort of fellow, is he? I don't want to know his criminal record or anything like that. But now see, the secretary, he's little bit worried and he just wants to confirm from the governor whether this prisoner is not a violent sort of fellow. Okay, कोई violent sort of criminal तो नहीं है जो murder या मारधाड़ या ऐसा कुछ करता हो. फिर वो कहता है why he wants to know कि in case, okay, if he creates any violence there during the exams with the invigilator or with other people, then there would be a great trouble. Okay, तो वो secretary जो है बेटा वो confirm करना चाहता है governor से कि if he is not a violent sort of fellow. और फिर कहता है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि I want to know his criminal record or anything like that, but okay, but to make sure that he is a peaceful one, okay, not a violent one. No, there's no record of violence. Okay. Now see, governor says उसके violence का कोई record नहीं है. Quite a pleasant sort of chap, they tell me. Okay, he is a pleasant, very happy, jolly-natured man. Bit of a card, really. Bit of a card means a little witty person. Write down. Witty person. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So he was a witty person. Witty means a humorous person. One of the stars at the Christmas concert. और बड़ा humorous है, हंसाता है सबको. और one of the stars, जो भी Christmas concerts होते हैं ना वहाँ पर every year, तो उसमें उसका star है ये, the center of attraction है ये. And then imitations. Imitation means what? He imitates the characters. He imitates others and make people laugh. You got it? दूसरों की नकल करता है, स्टार बन जाता है क्रिसमस कॉन्सर्ट्स में. ओके, और इमिटेट करके बड़ा पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर ही मेक्स वेरी ह्यूमरस एंड मेक्स अदर एंटरटेन और लाफ. यू नो द सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग माइक यारवुड स्टफ. ओके, और फिर जो गवर्नर है उसको कंपेयर करते हैं कॉमेडियन. कॉमेडियन कौन होते हैं? जो कॉमेडी करते हैं. कि कॉमेडियन माइक यारवुड से उसको कंपेयर करते हैं कि बिल्कुल माइक यारवुड की तरह है वो. नो, ही इज जस्ट congenital kleptomaniac. Underline it. अब कॉन्जिटेनियल क्लेप्टोमैनिक होता है कि एक नेचुरल इनहेरिटेंस होता है लोगों में, यू नो, अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर होता है टू स्टील, यू नो, दैट दे कैन नॉट कंट्रोल. उसको कहते हैं कॉन्जिटेनियल क्लेप्टोमैनिक. गॉट इट? अंडरलाइन एंड राइट डाउन. Inherited wish, a natural wish to steal that couldn't be controlled. Write down. Written, or should I repeat it?
Written, ma'am.
Okay. So you understand it, बेटा. जब वो गवर्नर बोलता है कि भाई, I hope so he is not a violent, not the governor, I'm sorry, the secretary, when he speaks, yeah, I hope so he is not a violent sort of chap, you know. He says, I don't want to know his any record, okay, but कोई criminal record वगैरह नहीं जानना है, but you know, to be safe and secure, you know, he wanted to know. तो गवर्नर कहते नहीं, ही इज अ वेरी प्लेजेंट टाइप ऑफ चैप, यू नो, एंड ही इज वेरी विटी, ही इज वेरी ह्यूमरस, एंड ही इज वन ऑफ द मेन अट्रैक्शंस ड्यूरिंग द क्रिसमस, है ना, programs. Okay, when the Christmas programs, it goes on during the month of December, when the Christmas is being celebrated. तो जो Christmas concerts होते हैं, जो musical performances होते हैं, या जो भी क्रिसमस परफॉर्मेंसेस होते हैं, प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, उसका मेन सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है ये. एंड ही कंपेयर्स टू अ कॉमेडियन. किससे? कॉमेडियन माइक यारवुड से कंपेयर करते हैं कि बिल्कुल उन्हीं की तरह ही डज द कॉमेडी. बस यही है कि एक कॉन्जिटिनियल क्लेप्टोमैनिक ही इज देयर. ओके, मींस ही हैड गॉट दिस instinct, his this natural desire, you know, this is a disease. ओके, जिससे बहुत सारे लोग सफर करते हैं ना. तो ये ऐसी डिजीज है कि उसके अंदर बड़ी इच्छा पैदा होती है टू स्टील दैट कैन नॉट बी कंट्रोल्ड. ओके, सो ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस क्लेप्टोमैनिया. गॉट इट? So, and what is it? Yes, the governor was tempted to add something else. Now, when governor, he says about him, he was tempted. He wanted to tell something more about events, but he kept quiet, and he thinks that he would look after that particular side of things himself. Okay, itna bolke, he just kept quiet, right? And he decided that he's going to keep a check on him on his own, right? शायद वो ये बोलना चाह रहे हो कि इससे पहले वो 2-3 बार जेल ब्रेक करके जा चुका है, इसलिए हमने सिक्योरिटी टाइट करी है. बट ही कंट्रोल्स हिमसेल्फ एंड ही थिंक्स दैट ही इज गोइंग टू कीप अ स्ट्रिक्ट चेक, अ स्ट्रिक्ट आई ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर साइड. फॉलोड बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, अगेन आई एम सेइंग, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर है. Presumably, said the secretary, you can arrange a room where? Okay, fine, then you can arrange a room where? Who says? The secretary, you know, he says. Okay, no problem, he is in a cell on his own. Now the governor, he says, we don't have any problem. Why? Because he is there in his own cell. If you have no objection, he can sit the exam in there. And he says to secretary that if you don't have any examination, then he can take the examination there only in his cell. That's fine. Okay, the secretary, he agrees. And we could easily get one of the parsons from St. Mary Max to invigilate. Okay, parsons are priest or churchman, you can write down. And the governor, he says that we are going to bring one of the parsons, one of the priests, you know, churchmen, as invigilator from St. Mary Max, the church. You have written down churchman. St. Mary Max क्या है बेटा? एक church है, इंग्लैंड का,
Yes,
ध्यान
ma'am.
रखना. Fine, yes, they seem to have a lot of parsons there, don't they? Okay, तो secretary कहता है okay fine, you know. Akshar Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, गलती से हो गया. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, now the secretary, he says, okay, fine, good, you have called one of the parsons from there. Why? Because St. Mary Magda having lot and lot of parsons there. Yani वहाँ बहुत सारे priests हैं. Okay, and the two men chuckled. Chuckled means they laughed. Okay, good naturedly, and the secretary had a final thought. At least there's one thing, you shouldn't have much trouble. Okay, finally एक बात secretary के दिमाग में आती है, and he says, at least remember one thing, you shouldn't have much trouble keeping him incommunicado. Should you got it? Incommunicado means nobody is going to allow to communicate with him. Okay, there shouldn't be any communication. Usko incommunicado rakhna hai. Okay, he shouldn't have any communication with anybody. Clear? And this was the most
Yes,
necessary
ma'am.
thing. Here, communications mein many plans could be made and implemented, right? And there was some fear that he might escape, he might run away, or he might do any other kind of cheating in the examination. Okay, तो secretary कहते हैं एक बात का ध्यान रखना, उसको incommunicado रखना, he should not communicate with anyone. The governor chuckled politely once more, and the governor, you know, he chuckled, he laughed quietly. Chuckling होता है बहुत चुपचाप से हंसना. Okay, reiterated his thanks, he just repeated his thanks and slowly cradled the phone. Cradle is keeping the phone. Evans, you got it? समझ में आया कि नहीं बेटा? Sure, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see the somewhat introduction of this man. It has been given here. Evans the break, as the prison officers called him. Thrice he had escaped from prison. He was so clever, so cunning. Underline कर लो. Okay. Thrice he had escaped from prison, and but for the recent wave of unrest in the maximum security establishments up north, he wouldn't now be gracing the governor's premises in Oxford. Okay. और अब recent wave of unrest चली थी. Why? Because wave of unrest क्यों चली? Because now he had to appear in the examination. So maximum security establishment up north means on the northern side. Maximum means lot of security establishments. It was done, and now he would be there gracing. Gracing means bringing honor, bringing a credit to the governor premises in Oxford. Okay. And the governor was going to make absolutely certain, sure, that he wouldn't be disgracing them. Got it? Now in the northern side, maximum means maximum क्या होता है? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा tight security. Okay, it was done, and he would be gracing those premises. That building को grace कर रहा होगा वो. And ये sure करा गया था कि इस समय, okay, कोई ऐसा step should not be taken by events, मतलब no opportunity on any condition should be given or should be provided, or the police department shouldn't be careless in any case, okay, that he would run away and disgrace them, bring a bad name to the police department. समझ में आया? तो बहुत प्रिकॉशंस लिए गए थे, बहुत टाइट सिक्योरिटी करी गई थी, जिससे कि इस बार है ना वो उनको डिस्ग्रेस ना करे, उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा ह्यूमिलेशन, इंसल्ट ही शुडंट प्रूव. क्लियर और नॉट? Not that Evans
Clear,
was a
ma'am.
Yes,
real
ma'am.
burden. ऐसा नहीं था he was a big burden. Just a persistent होता है continuous, nagging presence. Nagging यानी irritation, irritating. Okay, irritating समझते हैं ना? Sometimes you know a person is there, and though he does not create, though he is not a big burden on you, but his presence, you know, that is very irritating, है ना? होता है ना कि हालांकि वो कोई बर्डन नहीं है, कोई बोझ नहीं है, लेकिन उसकी प्रेजेंस ऐसी है कि आप बहुत इरिटेटेड रहते हो, बड़ा मतलब वो बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है, ही और शी मेक्स यू वेरी इरिटेटिंग। तो इसकी भी कंटिन्यूअस प्रेजेंस भी बड़ी इरिटेटिंग थी इवेंट्स की। He would be all right in Oxford, though the governor would see to it personally. और गवर्नर ने श्योर कर लिया था that he would be all right in Oxford, very safe, very secure. Okay, no chance for him to escape. All the precautions were being taken, right? A governor जो है, he is going to see it personally. Okay, personally he is going to keep a very strict watch on him. And besides, there was just a possibility that Evans was genuinely interested in low-level German. Just a slight possibility. और इसके अलावा there was a possibility कि Evans जो था है ना, genuinely मतलब अपनी इच्छा से, really he was appearing in the O-level German exam. तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं एक ये assurance भी था कि he on his own desire, he is appearing in the O-level German exam, so he might not think of escaping or running away. Just a slight possibility, a very slight possibility. Okay, 0.1 possibility was there. Otherwise, they were very sure that now this time he won't escape. एक तो tight security, दूसरा he was not forced to appear. He appeared on his own wish, he appeared on his own desire, he appeared on his own will. अपनी इच्छा से appear हो रहा था, तो वो क्यों भागेगा वहां से? Okay, just a very slight possibility, लेकिन बहुत कम slight possibility थी. At 8:30 p.m. on Monday, 7 June, underline, Evans' German teacher shook him by the hand in the heavily guarded recreational block. Okay, recreational होता है जहाँ entertainment होता है, fun होता है, you just relax, just across from D wing. Now see, 8:30 p.m. on Monday, 7 June, Evans' के German teacher, you know, he shakes hand. Okay, and where in the heavily guarded, you got it, चारों तरफ से it was very heavily protected recreational block था, and just across the D wing था, right? अब Guttengleck, her Evans, her means Mr. Evans, this is the German language. Guttengleck is all the best of luck, Mr. Evans, who says the teacher. Pardon, he was not able to understand. Okay, and the teacher, he repeats, I said, good luck for tomorrow. Got it? Oh, thanks. I
Yes,
mean,
ma'am.
danke setu. Now this is a German word. I'm not sure whether I'm able to pronounce them correctly or not. लेकिन danke setu means इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Oh, thank you very much. आप लिख सकते हैं if you want to. You haven't a cat in hell's chance of getting through, of course. Now see, underline this line. This was spoken by the teacher. Now the teacher says you do not have even a slightest chance to achieve something, to get through. See, now it has two meanings. What are the two meanings? You do not have even the slightest chance to get through the exam. समझ में आया? एग्जाम में पास होने का कहीं स्लाइटेस्ट चांस नहीं है. और दूसरा मीनिंग क्या हो सकता है? यू डू नॉट हैव द स्लाइटेस्ट चांस टू एस्केप फ्रॉम द प्रिजन. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
गॉट इट बेटा? Now two meanings can be taken out. अब उसने जोर से इसलिए बोला because all the prison officers were there, right? तो टीचर को लगा होगा कि ये प्रेजेंट ऑफिसर्स को लगा होगा कि ये कोई वीक स्टूडेंट्स होगा, इसलिए टीचर कह रहा है कि यू डोंट हैव द स्लाइटेस्ट चांस, ओके, टू गेट थ्रू. नाउ गेट थ्रू इट हैज टू मीनिंग्स, वो तो हम निकाल रहे हैं कि हो सकता है गेट थ्रू मींस टू just run away from here or get through the exam. Now what he says, I may surprise everybody, said Evans. Now what Evans says, I'm going to surprise everyone. right? Got
Yes.
it? समझ में आया? अच्छा
Yes,
लगा
ma'am.
chapter?
Yes.
Did you find it interesting? It is again
Yes,
and
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
very interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
And lot of suspense is there. अभी आगे जाके देखो तो क्या क्या होता है chapter में. Okay? So better revise it better,
Okay, ma'am.
right? And
Yes,
goodbye.
ma'am.
God bless you
Yes.
all.
Thank you,
Don't
ma'am.
waste
Thank
your
you,
time.
ma'am.
Saturdays
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
Sundays now. Just
Thank you, ma'am.
be serious at your studies. God bless you, beta.